Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is a video for competition Do It Science, and we are going to participate as a group of two. My name is Sharvesh Kumaresan and my fellow group mate's name is Teeban Sukumaran. We are going to show you guys an invention which is really easy and simple to do at home. We are going to do a pH indicator, but we have seen a lot of pH indicators like phenolphthalein, litmus paper to determine the pH value of a chemical compound, whether it's acidic or basic. But it's not happening for everybody at all places, because you might only find the pH indicators in schools, colleges and laboratories. So we have find out an easy way to make a pH indicator to be used by all people at all places, which is really easy to make and also easy to use. We are going to make a pH indicator using a red cabbage. Stay tuned in the video to know more about it. Okay, now we are going to see the things and the ingredients that we need to make this pH indicator. First of all, we need red cabbage. This is the main ingredient of this pH indicator. Secondly, we need half jug of water. Then we need a blender to blend it, and then we need a strainer to strain out the filtrate to remove the impurities, the large impurities. Okay. First of all, you have to wear your gloves because it's for safety precautions, and then if you have an apron, it will be more comfortable because you will avoid it splashing the filtrate. Now we are going to pour the water into the blender. You have to pour half jug of water. That should be good. Then we have to put our main ingredient, which is the red cabbage, into the blender. Then now we'll start blending it. Now we have finished blending this cabbage juice. Now we are going to transfer this juice from the blender to the container. Okay. Now the work is not over yet. We have to strain this juice into the filtrate, because we have to remove all the large impurities and the large particles remaining in the solution. So come, let's see if this, strain this up. This is the second glass of juice we are getting after straining. We have strained another 1 mug of juice. We have successfully blended out the cabbage juice, which we have removed all the impurities and very clean and pure, which can be used as a perfect pH indicator. So far we have seen the preparation part of the cabbage juice. Now we are going to the second part, which is to the testing part. Now we are going to test this cabbage juice as a pH indicator. We are going to test this cabbage juice with different types of chemical compounds with different pH values, and we are going to observe the color changes of the chemical compounds when they are going to add it into this cabbage juice, and the color changes determine the pH value. So now our friend Deepan Sukumaran will take over the testing part of this pH indicator. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.
Welcome back everyone, I'm Tiban here. So now we are going to test our pH indicator which is made from red cabbage. So we have our pH indicator over here, and now we have prepared 7 different solutions to test our pH indicator, which includes lemonade, vinegar, tap water, Colgate solution, baking soda solution, detergent solution, and also bleach. So now we are going to pour our pH indicator into all these solutions, and we are going to observe the color change which indicates the pH level of the solutions. So now we are going to pour our solution in lemonade. So now we can see that the solution have turned to a bright red color, and this indicates that the solution is acidic. Now let's take a look on the vinegar. We all know that vinegar is acidic also, so let's see the color change. So vinegar has the same shade as the lemonade also, which indicates that both of them have the same pH level. Next, we are going to take a look at the tap water. Let's see what happens. So from this, we can see that there's no change in the tap water solution. So this shows that the tap water is neutral, so it doesn't have any color change. Next, we have our Colgate solution here. So let's pour into it. So we can see that the Colgate solution have turned to a dark blue shade, which indicates that the solution is alkali, or we can call it basic. So next over here, we have the baking soda solution. So we are going to, as usual, we're going to pour the pH indicator into that. So the baking soda solution have shown a lighter blue shade, which is also indicates that the solution is basic. Next up, we have our detergent solution here. So we are going to test it also. Wow. So the detergent solution have turned to a dark green shade. So it shows that it's the basic compared to all these. It's more basic compared to all the basic solution, which are Colgate solution and also baking soda solution. Lastly, we have our bleach solution. So let's test it as well. So we can see that the color of the bleach is just the same. So we all know that bleach has bleaching properties, which it removes the color of a solution. So in this case, the bleach have removed the purple shade of the our pH indicator, which helps it to remain in its original color. So we can see that we have different colors for each solution. Alright, so from my right to the left, there are solution from acidic to basic. We can see the color change, which goes from red, purple, blue, green, and to colorless. So we can from this we can know that the red cabbage pH indicator is a very useful and convenient pH indicator among all, so that any people from anywhere can use this. People of any ages can use this anywhere, anytime. This is because it is, first of all, it is safe to use, and the materials to prepare this pH indicator is very easy to get. It's just water and the red cabbage. So that's all from us. Thank you very much.